protect the babies because today, guys are wondering why we're on the bed. Guys, go in this room. You guys have to go in this room. It's alarm and a fire alarm. So the what is it called? Fire department come. So we're in this comfy bed. Doors closed. I think. Let me try. Yeah, it's closed.
Yeah,
it's
pretty.
that hurts my ears.
Yeah, me too.
Ugh.
Well, yeah, my ears.
Can you guys hear? Comment section down below. Okay, guys, you guys can also hear. I'm just kind of sad. Sad. But kind of a little fun. I can't even flip.
Not fun for me.
Okay. Oh, your ear is. We couldn't go to the hospital after, guys.
Protect Erie.
Slushy, your ear is red. Slushy, I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
Your ear is red. Oof. My ear's not red.
It's just
Feel your ear.
It's okay. It's because of mental changes.
Oof.
In summer, it's in winter, and spring and fall, it's cold, but in summer it gets red, so it's okay.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
Like.
Or else you have a bad day and all of your stuffed animals will fall into the drain and then you will fall into the toilet and you'll never be able to get out again.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. So guys, it's going to be a challenge. Who can survive? The girls against the boys. They suck. You suck.
No, you suck. You suck.
So the team captains for each team is Cutie for girls and Frights for the boys.
Well, duh, because they're kids.
The kids, yeah.
Dota, attack!
No, we're staying in this one. I'm staying in here.
I want to play friendly. I want to play friendly.
No playing with friendly. We're doing a challenge.
I take daddy.
I need to go. Nighttime.
I need to go friendly.
No, you're not allowed to go. There's a block light.
Okay, I see with daddy. Tato.
Alright, we're friendlies again.
Yeah, friendly.
Guys, let me tell you something. Full fact, I'm only 2 years old.
Me too.
And full fact, we're twins, but different stuff. And did I forget? I think we made Smugga Wugga. Smugga Wugga. Smugga Wugga. You do this. Wait, let's do it to you guys. Smugga Wugga. Thanks, guys, for 5 subscribers. We really appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
I mean, appreciate it. I can't say that more. That's good, guys. I did something very funny. Ow, my ear! What's the allergies?
Your ear?
Guys, I have an idea. We have to go for a couple of minutes. Please take care of the little ones. We have to go. We have to work on the fire thing. We need help. Guys, help us now. Please, someone to subscribe to our channel.
One subscriber is money, so we can buy a house and we can survive. So please put that like button and subscribe and put the notification bell so you do not miss any of our videos.
Yeah. And next week we might do a Roblox video.
We make a count.
But sadly our iPad is what's wrong? Virus. Chick. Tag.
We might do a face reveal at aLARM, maybe
when we get like 1 million subscribers.
Yeah, we'll do that.
That'd be a good idea, Liz.
We're not confirming it though. Trampoline. Boing.
Boing. Ow. You jump so high.
Boing.
I'm tired.
3 years later.
What the heck? What the flip? What the fudge?
It was a wag.
What the
I
fuck?
just saw a wag. It was weird and bad and poopy.
You're dumb.
I think I'll stay in my cozy spot.
Guys, we're back.
Mommy!
Guys, if you guys took care of that, thank you guys so much. We really appreciate it. Okay, guys, we're doing giveaway. Not a giveaway, but like giveaway in like Roblox. And if you guys play Adopt.me, everyone's getting someone's gonna get a dragon. And I promise, I swear to God.
Only if you subscribe and subscribe, like the video, and comment for /tag free dragon, and then you get a dragon.
Guys, look, it's been already 30 minutes by the alarm. It's 9. Oh, look, fire department's here. 9:33. Bye, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Make sure to subscribe, like the video. Bye.
And make sure this never happens to you. And also, call the fire department.